Well, welcome to this video where I'm going to explain what artificial intelligence really is, how people are already making money with it, and we'll look at some details that I think are quite important and aren't usually discussed. So, without further delay, let's get to it. This is what you came for, and I'm going to explain it to you in great detail. Let's move on to the definition of AI, and this isn't the dictionary definition, not by a long shot. I just want you to get a general sense of the context here, what AI is in this context. So, artificial intelligence isn't about robots from the future. No, I don't want you to picture anything physical. Now I'm going to give you a very clear example, but basically it's a technology that does what humans do, what we do, but in a time frame that's impossible for us. And with this, I want you to imagine this example. You have a 30-page PDF. You're going to send these 30 pages in two chats, one to ChatGPT and one to your best friend. You're going to tell both of them, extract this for me in the shortest time possible. Yes, phone numbers, emails, and let's say names that appear throughout the entire 30-page document. Obviously, your best friend is probably going to take, well, an hour, 2 hours, whatever it is, but it's clear that it's going to take quite a while. It's a 30-page PDF document, and whether you like it or not, they have to go through it part by part and give you everything. ChatGPT, how long is it going to take to give it to you? Probably in just a few seconds or at most a minute. So we don't stand a chance against robots, that is against artificial intelligence. So having said that, and now that we more or less have an example of what AI is, well, these are things that we do, but in an impossible amount of time. They can also be repetitive tasks like automations. Obviously, that's also artificial intelligence. I'm sure you've seen lots of chatbots or chat agents on websites that reply to you as if they were human. Well, that's obviously also artificial intelligence. It's programmed by someone, by a human, to respond as if it were a human. With that context in mind, let's move on to understanding AI and knowing where we currently stand with artificial intelligence. This isn't something that was just created yesterday. As we already know, all this AI stuff has been around since about 2020. So why has it suddenly taken off? Why is it booming now? Why is everyone talking about it? Why is everyone using ChatGPT and 8N automations? Although I want to tell you that probably if you're watching this video, you believe it's much more than it actually is. That is, you probably think that almost everyone is involved in this world, or that everyone knows about N8N or automations or this whole AI thing. But I assure you, the algorithm is very deceptive and it just shows us what we want to see, so to speak. What I mean by this is that probably not even 2% of the Spanish-speaking population, or maybe not even 3, knows what automations, N8N, and this model, which I don't really like to call it that, but just so you get the idea, are. And well, now that that's said, I want to tell you that we are probably living through the greatest discovery or the biggest revolution since the creation of the internet, if not 100%, then pretty close. I don't know to what extent this will really be understood, but just so you get what I mean, we are living through the greatest moment since the arrival of the internet. A revolution like the creation of the internet itself. Afterwards, well, those who took advantage of that wave, although it must be said, the barriers to entry were very high for creating web pages. You needed to have a lot of information, a lot of knowledge, and obviously quite a bit of purchasing power to be able to have internet, a computer, everything from the very beginning, right? Now, there's really no comparison with the creation of artificial intelligence, but we're comparing it to that, or even saying that this is even bigger. I mean, I don't know if people truly appreciate the opportunity this represents, but damn, even today, there are people creating web pages. Just imagine how far artificial intelligence will go when all of this is booming right now. It's thanks to platforms like N8N. N8N is basically that. Before, without code, to create these automations, you needed quite a bit of knowledge to be able to write code, whether it was Python or whatever, and to be able to, well, create these automations, these repetitive processes, whether they were even chat agents, etc. Now, just with natural language, I mean, the way I'm talking to you right now, or could write to you in a message, we can create all of this. And I don't know, seriously, this is absolutely insane. And that's why all of this is booming so much and why everything has changed. And as it says right here, the best part is that anyone can take advantage of this opportunity. This literally, as I love to call it, because I think it's very clear, the opportunity of the decade. Literally, it's the most valuable skill of the coming decade. And that's why I like to call it that. Whether you realize it or not, or maybe you do, you're already using artificial intelligence every day. Whether it's through recommendations from Netflix, YouTube, Instagram, or Reels, because you think all of it is, well, I don't know, content you already like. Now, if you're into AI, maybe your Instagram is full of artificial intelligence content or your YouTube is packed with it. I mean, who knows, right? Just to give an example, it doesn't really matter. But AI, if it was already somewhat developed before, is now 10 times more powerful. On top of that, Meta, which as you probably already know, is a huge company that owns Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, and so on, well, they've implemented it even more extensively. They're developing it, pushing it to the limit, and well, we already know that AI is booming. All these big companies don't want to be left out. They want to seize the opportunity and make the most of it. We're reaching the point where ads are becoming extremely specific in order to keep you engaged with them for longer. It's wild. We're getting to the most interesting part, but before that, let's talk about how AI is used and above all, why. Because of course we know all of this is booming, but why not stick to the traditional way? Why is everyone implementing AI in their businesses? Well, let's look at it as clearly as possible. It saves time, saves money, and above all, gives you an absurd competitive advantage. And I want you to put yourself in that situation. Obviously, now let's move on to the examples. First, let's go over the theory. Automate repetitive tasks, both in your business and in your daily life, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. Fewer hours invested, more results. What this means, because I know it sounds confusing, so I'll give a very clear example, is imagine you're in the situation where you have a construction company, basically real estate, or well, it doesn't matter, a construction company. And what your construction company does is analyze blueprints, see if it's possible to build there, and check if it's legal. What you have to do is search through thousands of websites, etc. Like, I don't know, apps, sites, buildings you need to buy, check if you can build, do renovations, and so on, whatever it is, right? Let's use a very generic example. I mean, just think about it. Instead of having 50 workers, let's say we pay those 50 workers $1,000 each per month, which I can assure you is actually much more. That would already be 50,000 a month plus all the time, which I can also assure you is weeks of work. All of this replaced by automation, which obviously won't do the entire process, but it can handle all the searching and documentation, analyze it in seconds, and copy and paste. I mean, it's basically just copy and paste. How could you not go for that, let's say, for $18,000? It's something that no business owner, knowing the ROI, the return on investment they're going to get, would turn down if it was right in front of them. It's impossible. Without even meaning to, I've already told you about the money you'd save, because obviously instead of 50,000, it would go down to about 5,000 plus the 18,000 for the automation. It's obvious it's an absurd amount of money saved. Plus, the competitive advantage that all of this brings, since your competitors are probably still doing everything by hand, taking weeks of work while you're saving time, money, and on top of that, you have the advantage that everyone knows your work is flawless and much faster than the rest. So, what all this leads to is that obviously all companies are going to have to implement artificial intelligence in their businesses. All business owners are eventually going to have to do it, whether they like it or not. Just like right now, at this very moment, anyone can start studying this, learn how to use N8N, and then get clients before 99% of people do. In other words, take over the entire market for themselves, just like most of the people who are really taking advantage of AI right now are doing, and sell these automations when there is no competition. So with this, we move on to how to make money with artificial intelligence and why it's easier than ever, why there's unlimited scalability, and why there's momentum that basically makes this the perfect moment right now. Why is it easier than ever? Basically, because AI automates complex and repetitive tasks, it handles many processes that used to require entire teams, and now just one person who really knows how to use artificial intelligence can do all this work. I mean, it's absolutely insane. Just imagine, right? Before, what used to be teams of agents answering calls can now be done by just one person automating that process with a phone agent that can even handle 10 calls at once. Well, not to mention 100 calls at once. I mean, it doesn't matter. The point is, with all of this, the only thing you need is knowledge. I mean, this is an entry point that depends on you. Do you really want to learn about artificial intelligence or not? There's nothing else because really, after that, the only thing left is the second part, which is the hard one, sales. But hey, I assure you that part isn't that hard either when you really get into it and start from scratch, knowing you'll get a lot of no's because that's what entrepreneurship is all about. First, you know absolutely nothing, and little by little, you add pieces and pieces so that the puzzle fits together on its own, and then comes the snowball effect, which I'll explain later. Well, actually, now it rolls on its own, literally all by itself. So let's move on to unlimited scalability. I think this is my favorite part of this business model because once you set up your systems, you do, well, all the hard stuff, so to speak. You've studied, you've gone through the worst of it, you've made your first sales, which I can assure you will be terrible. Your first three sales are going to be a headache. They're going to be, well, although honestly, you'll be motivated because I assure you that your first sale changes your entire outlook on life in general. I mean, literally. I assure you that once you get through all of that is behind you. That is, with your first and second client, you're going to start with a snowball that you'll have to build by hand. I mean, it's going to be a hassle. Although, as I said, there's also the excitement and motivation, but you'll have to rely on discipline no matter what if you really want to go far. After that, it's about rolling and pushing the snowball Because of course, just imagine you've created an automation that will cost $12,000. Let's put it at that point. Yes, it sounds crazy, but I really want you to put yourself in that situation, and I want you to understand that this is much more than likely, not to mention that it's actually quite normal. Understand that. You've created this automation, you solve a very big problem with all of this. An automation like, for example, the one for construction blueprints. You've sold it once. You've sold it to a client who has, well, their own construction business, and it has helped them. It solved some huge problems for them. Why wouldn't you do it again in your second month? Why wouldn't you find another person who also has their own construction business and needs exactly that automation? Because I assure you that, well, right now, no one is doing that kind of automation, since in the Spanish speaking world, it's practically impossible. And you have the market all to yourself so that every month you can get that client paying $12,000, $10,000. I'm taking the most positive angle, but I want you to realize that all of this really depends on you. If you put in the work and truly want to reach that point, I assure you that you will, because the time is now, the moment is perfect. Very few people are using AI, and I assure you, among Spanish speakers, there's just no comparison. Honestly, there are way more snake oil salesmen than anything else. I mean, right now, I would honestly love to have my full team of, well, artificial intelligence developers, but it's not possible. It's not possible because there aren't many people who are truly trained and really know about this subject. I want you to try to imagine the point we're at right now with all this AI stuff. This is the best moment. All of this is just getting started. Above all, as I keep saying, and I know I go on about this, but I want to make it clear and emphasize it in the Spanish speaking world. All of this is just beginning now. This is the moment. I mean, it's the 5th or 6th of November. Honestly, I've been involved in all this for almost a year, and I thought I was late. Seriously, I thought I was late. I thought I was already behind, even though I knew it had just started. But of course, since my TikTok, my Instagram, everything was about artificial intelligence, I was like, damn, where have I been until now? To put it bluntly. But really, right now, it's just starting, and it's still just beginning. Because, of course, what happens with this is that most people feel the same way. Since you think everyone is already into it, you end up saying, well, you know what? It doesn't matter. I'm not going to get involved. But until you check it out for yourself and see that there's actually an insane demand for all of this, you'll never really know if it's true or not. And I assure you, I'm telling you from the heart, we're at the best moment right now. And not to say that there's still time, but obviously the best moment was yesterday. I always like to make this clear. And well, it's something I always like to say since it might seem obvious, right? The sooner you start your journey with artificial intelligence with this venture, I assure you that the sooner you'll get those results that I know sound, and honestly, crazy. I know they sound almost impossible. I know they sound like a dream, but honestly, if you don't go and see for yourself, but remember, if you're really gonna do it now and get started. If not, if you think this is just motivation, don't start because this is a journey, not a hard one, but you really do have to give it your all because nothing happens overnight. And I assure you, I know there are a lot of gurus saying, although it is possible, I'm not going to lie to you. It's absolutely possible to land your first client for $3,000, $5,000 in 1 or 2 weeks. Now, how are you going to do it? Well, by hiring a third party. I've seen this many times, and in many cases, although I always recommend also learning to automate things yourself because I think that's pretty important. Well, mainly because the profit margin, and I want you to know this too because I think it's important. There are people who, as I said, can make these 4 or 5 figures in their third or fourth week. Yes, it's totally possible, but now what's better? To do it in the short term or, well, let me tell you, you can do it in the short term and also keep studying and, keep diving deeper into it. This is also, well, actually, that's kind of what happened to me, honestly, and I think it's actually the best option. So, I don't know, I'm just putting it out there for you. So that's it. I just want to say that the opportunity of the decade is right here for you. If you've made it to this part of the video, I assure you that you have an insane advantage, even if you think you don't, and I have no idea how many views this will get. I assure you it's going to get very few, but almost no one will have made it to this part of the video. And if you've stayed and you're listening and watching this, I'm absolutely convinced that you'll probably go very far. And there are two types of people. Those who are going to use the guide to get there, or well, to take advantage of it and reach their lives, the life of their dreams. I don't want to paint it like that either. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight, but I assure you this is going to be a springboard so you can reach that life you probably aspire to. Or those of the second type who will probably regret their whole lives not having taken this opportunity and will have to take it the hard way. So, best of luck. Just to let you know, I've just opened my community right now, and honestly, I don't want to spam you like some kind of guru. I'll leave it here in the description in case you want to take a look. And if you really want to join to learn all of this, since there's going to be a massive update, and after that, well, I don't know how it's going to be. So, well, that's it. I wish you the best of luck in all your ventures. If you need anything, you also have my Instagram, and well, I'll see you in the next video.